Anatomy review of the day. Today we will look at the branches of the superior mesenteric artery. The SMA is a branch of the abdominal aorta and it has 6 main branches. In a counterclockwise fashion, we have the inferior pancreatico-duodenal artery, the middle colic artery, the right colic artery, the ileocolic artery, the ileal branches, and the jejunal branches. My personal and favorite mnemonic to remember the SMA branches is in my room, I'm in jail. In my room, I'm in jail. Inferior pancreatico-duodenal artery, middle colic artery, right colic artery, ileocolic artery, ileal branches, and jejunal branches. The branches of the SMA. Anatomy review of the day.